How to make an app for Android for totally free without writing any single code yourself. So as you can see, I was able to create this birthday date calculator app. All that you have to do is simply put in your date of birth. It's going to tell you how old you are in years, months, and then days. And I was able to create it for totally free without paying any money. Okay, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do the exact same thing or even make better apps more than this one. Okay, so we have to create an account, and then from Google come and then search for Replit, just like this one, then hit enter. So when it comes, simply come and then select the official site of Replit. By selecting it, it is going to bring you right here to the Replit platform. Over here you see that we have the sign up. Come and then click on the sign up, and then you can simply come and then create an account by putting in your email address. Okay, so over here you just put in your email address, your password, then you click on create account. You have the option to also go with any of these, so I'm going to go with continue with Google, and then over here come and then select your email address and then click on continue. Your account will be created for you, and then you have to tell them something about you. So the username, you can simply come and then click on the edit icon, and then you can change it. You put in your first name, your last name, and then come and then select the purpose that you want to use the account for. So we have for work, for personal, and then for school. For this we are going to select for personal use. Okay, so after selecting it, come and then click on the continue, and then over here we are going to select the free version. Okay, so with the free version you can create up to 10 public apps, which is okay for us. And then simply come here and click on continue with the starter. Okay, and then simply come here and click on start creating. And that is it. Your account has been created. You can check your email and then verify your account. And then over here you have the option to create your first app. But before we continue, we also have to create another account. Okay, so from Google, come and then search for Expo Dive. Okay, it simply means developer. And then simply come and then hit enter, and then come and then select the Expo, the official site. Okay, when you select it, it's going to bring you right here. Over here, you have the option to test apps on your Android device. Okay, and then create apps as well. So we are going to create an account by simply coming here to where we have the sign up. Come and click on the sign up. It is totally free. Okay, and you can come and then create an account by simply coming here, putting your email address. You choose a username. Okay, and then you put in your password, a strong one. You confirm your password. You come down and then check the box to agree to your terms of services and policy, and then come and click on signed up. Okay, and that is it. Your account has been created. You have your Expo account, and then you are within your dashboard. But you have to keep your username, this one, very well, because you are going to use it to log in into the Expo Go. Okay, that we are going to install from Play Store. So from your mobile phone, simply locate the Play Store app on your Android phone and then tap on it to open. And then from here where we have the search, come and then tap on it. And then from the search bar, okay, here, come and then type in Expo Go. Okay, so Expo Go, and then come and select this one. So we are going to log in our developer account on the Expo Go. Okay, so this is it. Come and then select it by tapping on it. And then over here you have the option to come and then install it. So to install it, come and then tap on install. Okay, and then you will see that it is going to download the app, and then it's going to install it for you. Then after it has finished installing, simply come and then click on the open, tap on it, and then the Expo Go has been opened on the Android phone. Now all that you have to do is simply come and then log in by tapping on the login, and then over here simply come and then tap on the login. Since we have an account already, simply come here. Okay, your username, your Expo username, come and then put it right here. So this is my username, and then your password, the one that you created, and then come and then after putting your password, simply come down here and then come and tap on log in. So your Expo developer app will be logged in on the Expo Go app, just like this one on your phone. And then as you can see, I have logged in successfully. Okay, so what you are going to do with it is that we are going to use it to test our app on our Android phone so that we can know that it is working well by simply coming here to where we have the scan QR code, and then we are going to use that one. Okay, now all that you have to do is simply come here to your Replit account, the one that we have created, and then come here to where we have create app, and then come and then select it. Okay, and then over here you have the option to create your new app, and as I said, it is totally completely free. Okay, but we are going to go to the search bar and then come and then search for Expo. Okay, so when you search for Expo, it is going to come just like this one. Okay, where we have the Replit slash Expo. Come and then select this one. Okay, so when you select this one, it will bring you right here, and then you can come and then create your first app. Okay, over here we have to come and then select choose a template. Just come and then click on it to choose a template, and then you see that the Expo has been selected just like this one. The reason why we are using Expo is that it is an open source whereby you can make several apps. Okay, and then it runs on Android and then on ESO as well. Okay, so now all that you have to do is simply come and then name your first app. So mine is birthday day age calculator. Okay, just like this one. So after naming yours, come and then click on create the app. So let's click on it, and that is it. It is going to walk you through. Simply come and then close it. That is what I'm going to teach you, and that is it. So when you look at the top here, we have our readme here. Okay, but we are not going to do the coding ourselves. So over here where we have the assistant, simply come down here and then come and then click on new chat. Okay, so when you click on it, over here you have the option to chat with the AI assistant or the agent. Okay, and then over here simply come and then describe how you want your app to be in detail. Okay, in just plain English, just write it in details. That is what I want my app to be, just like this one. Okay, the features, everything that you can say, just say it in very detailed and then in plain English. Okay, just like mine. So take your time and then write it very well. Okay, the features, everything about your app, all that you have to do is just explain it very well. After that, simply come and then click on the run. Okay, just like mine. It is going to execute or receive your test, and then it is going to create your app for you without you doing anything. Okay, so all that you have to do is to simply come here. So when you come here, it is going to ask you that it can perform the task automatically for you. Okay, so as you can see, the assistant can automatically apply propose changes to your app, and then you have to enable that one. Okay, by simply coming to click on apply all. So when you click on apply all, the next thing is to come and then click on the OK. So the OK button, just click on it, and then that is it. It is going to go ahead and then create your app for you. So as you can see, the app is ready. You can deploy it and then share it with the whole world, and we have our app right here. You cannot test it right here, but to be able to test it, you have to use the Expo Go. Okay, so as you can see from here, we have the console. Come and then click on it, and you have to come and then scan this QR code using our Expo Go that we just installed from Play Store on our mobile phone. Okay, so from your mobile phone, you see that we have the Expo Go app here. You can come and then open it, but I've already opened it already, so I'm going to select it. And then from here, where we have the scanned QR code, come and then tap on it and come and then allow it. Okay, and that is it. Just scan the QR code, okay, from the console, just like this one. Just come and then scan it. So let me scan it, and when you scan it, it is going to come just like this, and it is going to bundle up to 100%. So as you can see, it is running it up to 100%, and your app will be opened on your mobile device. Simply come and then close this one, and that is it. You have your app created on your mobile device. So let's test it. Okay, so I am simply going to select a date of birth, and I'm going to ask it to calculate it and then tell me my age. So let me select the year. So the year, I'm going to scroll up and let me select 1996. Okay, so I'm going to select July, and I'm going to select 1st of July 1996. Okay, and then come and then click on OK. So from here you can see that I have selected July 1st, 1996. Let's click on calculate to know our age. So as you can see, you were born on a Monday, you are 29 years and then 0 months and 3 days old. Our app is running successfully and it's working. Okay, so now all that you have to do is to either put it on a Play Store, okay, whereby you are going to pay $25 for a developer account, or you can simply save it offline, save it in the form of an APK file whereby you can install it on your Android phone. That is going to be in a different video, so like this video, subscribe, and then I'm going to make that video next.